What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Law Cannon, and today we are doing buffalo chicken egg rolls. Now, starting off, I have these chicken breasts that are washed clean and skinless. So we're gonna start off seasoning these with some black pepper. Make sure you get both sides. Then some Slap Your Mama Cajun Seasoning. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And lastly, olive oil. Now mix that all up and make sure that your chicken is evenly coated. Now get you a baking dish and pour about 1 cup of water into this baking dish. You're gonna bake this on 375 for about 45 minutes. Now after baking, remove the chicken from the oven and just shred with 2 forks, just like in the jerk chicken roll video. Next, we're gonna add about 5 ounces of cream cheese. We're gonna add 3/4 cup of hot sauce. This is Frank's buffalo hot sauce. And then we're gonna add our green onions. Now this step is optional, but what I like to do is add about 5 tablespoons of melted butter. This just helps the hot sauce be less hot and more of a buffalo. Now add about a handful of mozzarella cheese, mix this all up, and you have your buffalo mixture. Now take your egg roll wrappers and just follow the directions on the back of the package. It's that simple. So what you will notice is in this part of the video, I'm actually going to wrap these a little bit different. I found this new technique online. It's like more of a spring roll wrap. This gave me a much better roll for this type of egg roll. So I would actually advise you guys to try this way instead of the egg roll way. I mean, either one can work, but I prefer this way now that I've tried it for the first time and it worked like this. Last step, get you a sauce pot full of hot vegetable oil and fry these egg rolls until they are golden brown. Whew, look at those egg rolls. Now don't forget, get your dipping sauces. You might want to get some sweet chili sauce, or my favorite, get some buttermilk ranch, because these go perfect with these rolls. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. But thank you guys so much for supporting, and I hope you stay tuned for the next video.